What's going on, everybody? Crypto Headquarters here, and today I want to give you guys a video on why I believe that Dragonchain might be a potential buy in today's current cryptocurrency market. I'm going to start off by talking about what Dragonchain is, then transition into why I believe Dragonchain is a good buy at the current price for those of you that are interested, have done your own research and your own due diligence on this cryptocurrency. But with that said, I'm going to jump right into the disclaimer that says none of the information in this video is investment or financial advice. This is just simply my personal opinion. Please do your own research before investing. Invest at your own risk. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and consult a financial advisor if necessary. Additionally, to be fully transparent with you guys, I am not invested and do not hold Dragonchain at the time of making this video. But with that said, let's jump right into it. The first thing that I want to talk about in today's video is quickly what Dragonchain is. So in summary, Dragonchain is a cryptocurrency developed by Disney back in 2014 that went public as software in 2016. So Dragonchain aims to allow a seamless transition from the regular business world into blockchain. There are so many businesses out there as well as industries that can benefit from blockchain technology and applications but don't know how to make the transition. Dragonchain is offering a platform as well as an ecosystem to allow businesses to do so and make that transition. They're going to be doing this in three ways. The first way that Dragonchain is going to be doing this is through the Dragonchain platform. So the Dragonchain platform is basically all the business and data behind the actual projects that are going to be created. So this involves programmers, developers, people who are going to be making these smart contracts for these new businesses, blockchain projects as well. It's kind of all the behind the scenes work in regards to developing these new projects on the blockchain as well. So that's kind of what the Dragonchain platform is. Additionally, you have the Dragonchain incubator, which is also very cool in my opinion, because the Dragonchain incubator allows projects that are done, that are already out of using the Dragonchain platform. So once they're developed, they're actually going to be able to be put into the Dragonchain incubator, which is going to be looked at by investors and cryptocurrency experts alike around the world, and they're going to be able to say yay or nay to your project. And if they like your project, they like your idea, they're going to be able to offer some exposure and cut down on the overall amount of resources that you would otherwise need to use to market to get your idea, hence the exposure out there in the first place. So the incubator offers a jumpstart to new cryptocurrency and blockchain projects on the Dragonchain ecosystem. Additionally, and lastly, you have the Dragonchain marketplace, which is just going to be a way for blockchain developers and people using the Dragonchain ecosystem and platform to look at verified, credible information regarding smart contracts, cryptocurrencies, blockchain, whatever they need to know. So you have three main ways that the Dragonchain ecosystem operates and what businesses are going to get out of Dragonchain for using them. That is in a nutshell what Dragonchain is. Again, I have an in-depth analysis on my channel about Dragonchain, and I'm also going to link an article in the description that when I was first learning about Dragonchain really helped me understand what Dragonchain was as a whole. It's over on Cointelegraph.com, so check that out if you're interested. But that's what Dragonchain is in a nutshell. Now that we have an understanding of what Dragonchain is, I want to go into probably the most important part of this video, why I think Dragonchain is a potential buy. Well, one of the main reasons I think Dragonchain is a potential buy is because I believe Dragonchain's found a consolidation period. And I think they found that consolidation period at around the $1.80 to almost $2 mark, and that's kind of where we're sitting right now. So as we can see, Dragonchain has come from its all-time high at just over that $5 mark. I believe it's $5.23 that happened on January 9th. So we've come a long ways from that all-time high. But again, that was an overextended move. It wasn't expected to hold there. And we've hit a point where I believe Dragonchain is still very undervalued for its current market position. So I believe in Dragonchain. I really like the platform. I like the credibility behind it, the fact that Disney is behind this project, as well as I think just me explaining the project myself. I have a good understanding of just how there is going to be real-world use cases for the Dragonchain ecosystem. I think that this is going to be successful in the long term, and at its current market cap, if there is a point where Dragonchain becomes the go-to ecosystem, the go-to platform for companies to transition into blockchain, just think about the market cap and the price of Dragonchain in the future if it becomes successful in the regards that all businesses that want to use blockchain, which I believe will be so many within the next few years, use Dragonchain. I can only imagine how big this cryptocurrency can be. So one of the reasons I believe that right now is a great buying time for Dragonchain is because I believe the platform is legitimate. Secondly, if we look at the price behind Dragonchain right now, we're going to see that, you know, as I talked about before, it's come a long ways from its all-time high, but we found a point where I think it's only going to go up from here. I released a video earlier today on my channel saying how I think the future for cryptocurrency going into the spring is going to be pretty much very positive. And I outline my reasons for that. But if Bitcoin ends up going on a bull run, altcoins will usually and eventually, I believe, follow that. Additionally, I think that cryptocurrency is going to be in, like I said before, in for a great spring and early summer kind of bull run here in the future. Again, this is just my prediction. It's not investment or financial advice. But with that said, I believe that Dragonchain at its current market cap is undervalued. It's found a position where I believe it's only going to go up from here. The platform, the team, everything about it is legitimate. It's got real world use cases. I think we're going to see mass adoption in the future if people start to see Dragonchain as a way to break down that barrier to entry that is blockchain and cryptocurrency. And I think that Dragonchain is just going to be successful overall. So when we talk about $1.83 for a single Dragon token, I think that's extremely undervalued. If you look at the markets it's traded on, it's not even traded on Binance. We see that KuCoin is the major exchange that most of the volume comes from between its Bitcoin and Ethereum pairings. And imagine if this cryptocurrency gets listed on an exchange like Binance or Bittrex or another huge exchange that will eventually boost the volume of this cryptocurrency and hence boost the overall price, holders, and people that are actually using this cryptocurrency. So hopefully I outlined the reasons that I believe Dragonchain is undervalued. I also believe that this is a very easily over a $1 billion market cap coin. We can see we've already tested that price range at $5.23. So not only is, I believe, it very undervalued in terms of its overall market cap, I think a rank of 56 is undervalued for this. I probably am going to predict that this cryptocurrency will see top 30 ranking within the next few months into the end of 2018. I think for sure, even if we don't see a top 30 ranking, we're definitely going to see a market cap over $1 billion. And the reason that we won't see a top 30 ranking with a market cap over $1 billion is because there could be a ton of other cryptocurrencies that get to a market cap over $1 billion, pushing Dragonchain back if that's where it peaks in 2018. So not so set on the ranking of Dragonchain. I'd love to see it be top 30, even top 20, if it does, if it is as successful as I hope it will be. But just in the short term to medium term, I think that $1 billion in overall market cap is something that Dragonchain can achieve. And I think that, you know, its all-time high is definitely not unrealistic in terms of achieving that in the near future. So not only am I very bullish on Dragonchain for all the reasons that I listed in this video, but I even believe at its current price point, we're seeing it undervalued. And the reason I'm making this video today is mostly because I scroll down through CoinMarketCap every day and I kind of make a mental list of the cryptocurrencies that I believe are extremely undervalued or are at a market cap where I just don't believe it should be valued at that current price point. And Dragonchain caught my eye, hence the reason I've done multiple videos on my channel about it. But if I'm going to be doing those videos on my channel explaining what it is, I do want to give you guys insight into when I personally, though this is not investment or financial advice, believe a good buying period arises. So that's kind of my personal opinion on Dragonchain. Definitely bullish, definitely optimistic, love the team, love everything about this cryptocurrency, and hopefully we can see some success in the future. That's going to do it for the video today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Your guys' support has been amazing on this channel. Comment down below if there's any other videos that you guys want to see me make specifically. I am really open to a ton of ideas. I have a few things that I want to release throughout the next week regarding some specific projects, some quick analysis, some things that I want to bring to your attention. But then again, any comments in the comment section is definitely worthy of me making a video on cryptocurrency that you guys want to see. So please comment down below any thoughts or opinions that you guys have on this. I am going to transition into the disclaimer that says none of the information in this video is investment or financial advice. This is just simply my personal opinion. Please do your own research before investing. Invest at your own risk. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and consult a financial advisor if necessary. Again, I am not invested into Dragonchain for transparency purposes. I don't hold it at the time of making this video, but I do believe it's very undervalued, as that is my personal opinion. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and have a great day.